Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we have got this interesting problem. X plus 1 over x equals to -1, and now we are going to find the value of x power 20, 23 plus 1 over x power 20, 23. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's focus on this very first equation. X plus 1 over x equals to -1. And here I have copied it down, as you can see. Now let's go ahead and remove this fraction by multiplying across the board by x. I'm going to multiply this term by x, this term by x, and this term by x. So x times x is going to become x squared. This x and x is cancelled out, so we ended up with just simply plus 1 equal to -1 times x is going to be -x. Let's move this -x on the left hand side, so we're going to have x squared, and this -x is going to become positive x, and then plus 1 equal to 0. So let me go ahead and call this equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's recall this well-known formula. A cube minus b cube is always equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Now let's go ahead and make a substitution. Let me call this a. Let me say a equal to x, and this b equals to 1. So let's go ahead and make a substitution. Let's replace a by x and b by 1. So this equation is going to become x power 3 minus 1 power 3 equals to x minus 1 times x square plus 1 times x plus 1 square. So let's go ahead and simplify this one. So x power 3 minus 1 cube is same as 1 equal to x minus 1 times x square plus x, and plus 1 square is same as 1. And now we can see that this factor x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 in our equation 1. So I am going to replace this one by 0. So therefore this equation could be written as x power 3 minus 1 equal to x minus 1 time. I'm going to replace this one by 0. So on the right hand side, 0 times anything is 0. So we got x power 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Let's move this -1 on the right hand side. So x power 3 turns out to be equal to positive 1. So thus our x power 3 value turns out to be equal to 1. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this part now. X power 2023 plus 1 over x power 2023. And here I have copied it down, as you can see. And now we are going to tweak this expression by using this product rule. So x power 2023 could be written as x times x power 2022 plus 1 over, likewise over here, x times x power 2022. Now let's focus on this exponent 2022. And here I have copied down 2022, and this could be factored into 3 times 674. Therefore, we can write x power 2022 could be written as x power 3 times 674. Now we are going to use this power rule. So therefore, this could be written as x power 3 and then power 674. Now let's focus on this x power 3. we know x power 3 equals to 1 that we figured out in our previous steps. So therefore, I'm going to replace x power 3 by 1. So this is going to be a 1 power 674, and 1 power 674 is same as 1. So thus we can see that x power 22 turns out to be equal to 1. And now let's shift our focus back onto our original problem. Over here, x power 22, I'm going to replace it by 1, and likewise x power 22 over here by 1 as well. So therefore I can write x times 1 plus 1 over x times 1. Let's go ahead and simplify. X times 1 is same as x plus 1 over x as well. We also know that from our original equation, x plus 1 over x equal to -1. So therefore, this our x plus 1 over x turns out to be equal to -1. So thus our value x power 23 plus 1 over x power 23 turns out to be equal to -1. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.